My name is Joe Harlan and I'm Business Development Manager, Wavin Ireland. The changes that have occurred in Irish life in general over the last 40 odd years that I've been in Wavin have been unbelievable. To go into a farmer's yard in the late 70s and to watch the lady of the house and no running water in the house, no bath in the house, no inside toilet, and the changes that occurred and the contribution that Wavin has made to Irish country life cannot be measured. I joined Wavin in 1971 as a lab technician. I remember walking in the front gate and coming across to the main office complex here. I had never been in a factory before, and to look at 4 extrusion halls with a huge number of machines all producing pipe, operators on the factory line having to manhandle pipe up onto stillages for storage. And again, over the years, the technology now has changed so much.
The business really came to Ireland as a result of a lot of effort from the then Minister for Trade and Commerce, Sean Lemass. Lemass saw the importance of bringing Wavin production to Ireland to help with the safe supply of drinking water. You could nearly say we brought safe drinking water to homes all over Ireland as a result of our legacy. Wavin is very much associated with innovation. Our entire history of our business is linked to innovation. The biggest single product which is well known within the construction industry is the Wavin Access Junction. That was developed in 1978, and I think it's a testament to the legacy of the business and the design that went into that product that some 40 years later it's still Ireland's leading product in that category.
I joined Wavin as a young engineer in 1980. The focus today is the same as it was 40 years ago. Customer service, get it right first time, and get the product right. All of our products here are made to internationally recognised standards and certified by third parties. Last year we were certified to ISRS, which is the International Safety Rating System. So we're proud of that, and it's testament to where we are as a company. A lot of the products we've developed over the last 10 years are using recyclates. So particularly in the pipe range of products, we would have a full range of multi-layer products where typically the inner core of that product is material that is recycled. As I sit here today, we have had 742 accident-free days where we send people home the same way as they came to work, which is a challenge for us every day, but it's what we strive to achieve.
I've loved working in the place. It's the people who make an organisation, their contributions, the friendships and the relationships that you build with them over the years have stayed with me a lifetime. It's been the best decision I ever made was to join this organisation.
Wavin, connect to better.